Do you want your makeup brushes to look from this to this? Then this video is a must watch for you guys. So in this video I'm gonna show you how I wash my makeup brushes at home with only two products that you already have at home and don't need to spend any money or go buy something from the outside. You only need a bowl of clean water, a micellar water, and any dish soap, and you can also use laundry soap. It's totally up to you. So our first step is pour some micellar water in a bowl of clean water. You can mix it. Now grab all of the dirty brushes and dip them in the solution. Let them soak for at least 5 minutes so that all of the makeup and dirt can loosen up so that it's easier to clean later on. After 5 minutes, you can take out all of the brushes by squeezing the bristles and lay them on a paper towel or microfiber towel, whichever you prefer. You can clearly see how dirty is the water now, so I just change it into the clean water. And so we will mix some of the dish soap. You can use any dish soap you have at home. So you can mix, I think, 2 tablespoons. I will use this silicone makeup brush cleaner. So now we dip our brushes again in the water one by one. So just mix the water with the dish soap and then rub the brush bristle on the silicone cleaner. I have scrubbed all of the brushes with the dish soap water. So now we will replace our water again. So now we will dip all of our brushes that we washed before with the dish soap. So we will dip all of the brushes in this clean water so we can wash and then again put it on the towel or microfiber towel. Just make sure you squeeze out the water as much as you can so it doesn't take long to dry. If the water gets too much foamy, you can also change your water again. After you take out all the brushes, you can wipe with the paper towel or the hand towel. You can see how clean the brushes are now. Before they were full of makeup and it was really long time that I washed my makeup brushes. And this is a sign to wash your makeup brushes as well. So go ahead and try this technique and let me know in the comments, and just don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.